In a sunlit classroom, Miss Shazia's warm smile sets a hopeful tone as she stands before her eager students. "Children, there's a drawing competition tomorrow, so prepare well," Miss Shazia announces, sparking anticipation. Among the students, Mirha's eyes light up with pure excitement, reflecting her eagerness to participate. Sunlight bathes the classroom, illuminating the students' faces as they absorb Miss Shazia's announcement. The classroom buzzes with whispered plans and excited glances as the drawing competition ignites the students' imaginations. In the bright, art-filled room, Mirha meticulously arranges her art supplies, a palette of colors awaiting her touch. Her focus intensifies as she selects her colors, preparing for the competition that fuels her artistic passion. Suddenly, Hussein bursts into the room, his youthful energy disrupting Mirha's concentration. "Aapi, can I color too?" Hussein's hopeful plea echoes, a mix of innocence and eagerness. Mirha's focus sharpens, her response firm, "Not now, Hussein, this is for the competition." The room hangs in a balance of aspiration and denial as Mirha returns to her art, and Hussein's disappointment lingers. Mirha walks towards the kitchen, her footsteps echoing softly in the quiet home. In her absence, Hussein seizes Mirha's drawing, his small hands turning it into a canvas of chaos. Mirha stops abruptly, her gaze frozen on the ruined picture, a moment of silence hanging heavy in the air. Ami and Abu exchange worried glances, bracing themselves for Mirha's reaction. Defying expectations, Mirha smiles, her heart overflowing with affection for her brother. "My most beautiful picture is my brother."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.